Hey guys, it's Abigail back with another video, and today I'm hanging out with my friend Casey.
Yeah, my name's Casey from Magic Man Entertainment. Make sure to check out that channel if you like Legos and drawing. I just posted my first drawing video yesterday. And make sure to check out Abigail's brother's channel.
Yeah,
Caleb.
Roblox and blocks. I can't say it.
Okay, so today we are going to be doing a slime competition.
Girls versus boys?
Yeah, I'm going to be with my friend Nate, making slime against my sister Bridget and Abigail. They're going to be doing a group, and we're going to see who makes the best slime and wins.
Yeah, but just so you guys know, you know that we are in the middle of a pandemic. We are wearing masks, so sorry you can't hear us. But I just wanted to know on that. So yeah, the boys are going first. So we have a whole bunch of ingredients on and like behind the camera. So yeah, go for it. Take it away.
Okay, Nate, come on over. Just say hi.
Hi.
He's new at this whole thing, as you can see. Okay, so first, this is the boys' bowl right here. So first we're gonna pour in some baking soda and high cholesterol. You know, you got that stuff, and you gotta pop open the drugs.
Sorry.
Okay,
Like
it's fine.
comedian show.
Oh, it just farted.
But whatever,
Okay.
I'm not judging.
Okay. Then you pour in your water. Wait, we need some more baking soda, like tons.
Definitely.
Tons. Okay. Now we're gonna pour in the water.
This is gonna go.
Okay. And then we need that stuff. Okay, now we need these. Can I put them in? Yeah. And then we're gonna put in some more baking soda. Yeah. Put it in. Feel free. Okay, now mix it.
I'm gonna put in more.
Okay, now we're gonna add.
I wonder who's gonna do better. Don't add too much.
Should we have more baking soda in?
That's enough! No!
Baking soda.
I apologize!
Add it.
Oh my gosh! Casey, don't sit at the table!
Okay.
Casey! That's enough! It started to overflow!
Okay.
I'm recommending don't do
Okay. I can so see us winning this competition.
Yeah, we're gonna crush. We have a bigger
Okay,
bowl.
we've got a bigger bowl here. Ready, set, go.
Okay,
Now we're gonna start mixing our slime up. Okay, we need
the spoon here.
Ew.
Wow, I wonder who's gonna win this competition.
Okay, we definitely need more activator because if you've watched Abigail's slime time video, please check that out.
Yeah.
You need more.
Stop! That's my only
You need
bottle
more
left.
activator. Okay, make sure it's really thick. Just keep mixing.
No!
Keep mixing. Ew. Pretty nice. Breaking glass bowls. Okay, it's starting to harden up.
Our other friends are behind the camera. Hey guys, what do you think of this? No, stop, please stop, Casey. What do you think of that?
Okay, that's funny.
Okay,
I love it.
if you, oh boy, yeah.
Oh my
Yeah, add glitter.
Wait, there's another.
The cap's not off.
Wait, not all of it, not all of it.
We're so
Done. This is so.
We're just trying to come
sad.
some more.
Use a metal spoon here.
Put in
use
some
the metal
put in
spoon.
some that so it's like Christmas slime. Okay, we're making egg Christmas slime.
Very good to see, Casey.
This is our slime. This is like the opposite of slime. Okay, hang on. We gotta take this out.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Oh,
Oh man.
Did you say clanky?
Is it wet? Is it wet?
Ew. Okay, now
Casey,
you get our
this
slime.
is like when you experiment.
Oh boy, activator needs a bit more.
Not too much. Just sprinkle it on your hands.
Wait, Madison,
Put it on your hands.
No.
This is like.
This is okay. We're touching up the slime, making sure it feels like my belly.
It's been like 1,000 minutes.
It's only hang on, let's check.
Just use your hands.
All right.
Sorry, this is sad.
All right, we've made our slime.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Great.
Hold
Yeah,
on.
it's so cool.
This is Nate's first time. Ew.
What is this?
Give it to me.
Give it to me. We are crushing. Nate, show me your hand. Show me your hand. Okay. We are the sad creation.
Oh, very sad.
That's Put activator in my hands. Put activator.
No, it's good. It's fine. It's fine. Here.
Abigail, Abigail, look at all.
Ow!
I landed it. I think it landed in your helmet.
It landed in my hood. I'm not wearing a helmet.
I need to get this on. This is a slime disaster. Ew, I don't want it.
Okay, sorry for a second. We're gonna pause the video. Okay, so everybody shush. Okay, so Nate got the slime all over me because he thought it'd be a good idea to check it.
Careful.
So this is our slime, very yellow, very stretchy.
No.
This is actually the first time I've ever made slime. And we crushed the competition. Okay, so we have beads falling out.
Move aside.
So
Let the girls do it.
girls time.
Oh yeah. Okay. Could you please move? So we're gonna do it.
I am Bridget.
Yeah, this is Bridget, Casey's sister. So first, like,
Water? Okay, let's.
now how about Casey and Nate? How about you wash it? So like,
How the pros do it.
yeah. So like typical.
This is disgusting.
Typical.
Okay.
Add in glue, then add in some food dye, Bridget.
Then I'll add
So I guess
some
change.
green.
Just a little.
Okay, just a
You added way too much.
No, okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
Then
So
we're gonna mix it.
now we're just gonna mix it. That's pretty already. What? he's amazed. Okay.
Okay.
So
It was right over there.
now you add in a
Okay,
little
you
bit
open
of
that
baking
side
soda. You add in a little bit of
Can I
baking soda. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not unfair. You got dye and we got paint.
Add a little bit of water.
Just a little, because we don't want it to be too jiggly.
Can the boys have a rematch? I want to
We'll have a rematch in the next video, which we'll do like right after this one. We'll do part 2.
Oh, it's so jiggly.
It's so cool.
Okay. Okay, put
store-bought slime.
No, it won't. It won't. You just need to mix
a
it.
little bit more.
Bridget, don't add bees.
I know. Just a little glitter.
Yeah, do not good idea.
Oh,
Just a
that's
little.
so much.
Just a little glitter, sure. Okay, so we're gonna add.
Just be glad your friend Ryan didn't make black slime and stayed with white
Could actually someone do that? I don't know. I'd imagine.
like I'm making eggs.
I think I showed my face.
Madison, make sure
Yeah,
to point the
that's
camera
okay.
down a little.
I can't open up. Could one of you open this up? I can't open this up.
I feel like I'm holding I got it.
It's kind of
Okay,
greasy.
I
got it.
Greasy.
It's impossible to open it. What the heck?
Abigail.
Are you supposed to open it? No, you just cap it. Wait.
Abigail, I got it. It's pretty easy.
Our friend
oh,
O's a
okay.
hero. She's a hero.
We got some activators.
Yeah, this is a very strong activator. We probably should have noted that to you guys.
From experience.
Maybe you should have told us that it was.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you.
Okay, it's getting a little more.
This feels so. It just dyes your hands yellow. And makes your neck
Okay, I think
all
it's
yellow.
getting a little bit more thick. I think if we mix for a little longer, just keep mixing.
kill you.
Abigail, it's getting so thick.
No side conversations.
Ew. Okay, I think we need a little bit more. That's it. Okay, that's 2
That's
drops. Like, I think when it gets all gooey.
Oh, that's awesome. Yep.
Maybe one more drop.
What if we add a little bit of the yellow peach?
No, do not.
Please, no.
No, it'll make it peach.
Maybe we just do a little yellow food.
Or blue. Blue makes the world go round.
Be in case you're gonna forget about this paint and just do this. Like, this is so my paint. Like, just chuck this.
Oh my god.
I'm like, why not? Who's gonna use it? That's actually pretty. I like it.
Okay, it's getting
Oh, yeah, it's
like
like orangey
orange pink.
So we're gonna come back when we have the slime done.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's almost all handled. I think
Yeah, it's
we
ready to
can just
handle.
go in. Oh my god.
No, don't.
Nope.
No. Here, I have slime resistant. I have very slime resistant hands here.
Okay.
How?
Abigail's gonna go in.
What's the
I
activator?
don't think the boys are gonna win. I think we're winning.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Oh, this is tough.
Oh, can I try?
Oh, this is
Can I
ice
feel?
cold.
feel?
Ow. That is
Oh
ice
my
cold.
God.
We can call it sunset ice.
Oh my
Sunset
God.
ice.
Like,
There you go.
look
I'm
at this
naming.
color.
Can I choose names?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
What do you call that one?
Christmas egg. I
Yeah,
named it
Christmas.
Christmas egg.
Wait, can I please have the activator a little bit more? It's so cold.
I know.
Oh my god.
Ew, it looks like. Well, it looks like what it's called.
Okay. Oh my god, this is freezing. If you guys,
Okay.
you guys felt
Join us in the next video.
Wait, Jay, can I?
By the way, don't forget to check out my channel. I just need one more subscriber to get to 60. Please subscribe.
Yeah.
And please
don't
like
do
this
that.
video. And we're gonna make a
sorry.
part 2.
No.
We're gonna make a part 2 called the rematch. The girls won this competition, but we are going to come back for a part 2.